Hello, culinarians. Today I'm sharing a quick, easy, non-toxic way to get your oven looking brand new. No harsh chemicals needed.
Here's the recipe.
Let's make a homemade oven cleaner using just 3 simple ingredients you probably already have in your kitchen. Let's get started.
Grab a clean spray bottle and pour in all the ingredients. First, the lemon juice for its natural acidity and fresh scent, followed by the vinegar. It's a powerhouse cleaner. Add the tap water to bring it all together. And finally, the dish soap for its grease-cutting power. Give it a gentle shake to mix everything up and boom! Your homemade oven cleaner is ready. Super simple, right? I sprayed the oven down, let it sit for 20 minutes, then I scrubbed it with a soap pad. I repeated this process twice, and my oven is cleaner, and I enjoyed it because I was not inhaling toxic fumes.